So then you just stir this thing for like a minute and a half. So we're about a minute and a half. I'm happy with that. Take away the heat source, and it should all come down. Oops. Eventually. So the vacuum in the globe should be pulling the coffee back down, or the liquid back down. Oh, there it goes. What do you think, young Padawan?
Good soup.
What? So that's all vacuum that's pulling the liquid down, and then on top here, this should form a mound if we did it right. Yeah, it looks like a mound. It's mound-ish. So I guess I did it okay. I don't know. Find out in a minute. Look at that, it's still boiling. Even though there's no heat source. This thing is now off and ready for service next time. And let's check out the coffee. Sure. Okay, I'm gonna have to stop this.